Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to build the rain collector in Project Zomboid. First, you need to gather the materials and tools. You must have these in your main inventory: a hammer, 4 wooden planks, 4 nails, and 4 garbage bags. These items can be found by looting sheds, garages, houses, and trash bins. Then you also need the right carpentry level. To build the basic rain collector, you generally need carpentry level 4 or higher. If you want a larger version with greater capacity, you'll need carpentry level 7. Once you have the materials and skills, right-click on the ground outdoors where you want to place the collector. In the context menu, go to Carpentry, then Furniture, and select Rain Collector Barrel. Your character will start building it with a progress bar. Place it somewhere with open sky above. A backyard or rooftop works best. After it's built, simply wait for the rain. The collector automatically fills with rainwater over time. When it has water stored, you can right-click it to drink, fill containers, or use it for cooking and washing. Keep in mind the water you collect is tainted and should be boiled or treated before drinking. And that's how you build and use a rain collector in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.